This libcast will introduce you to doing a basic search in a CSA database. It will show you how to do a basic search and how to read your results. As an example, let's assume that your sociology professor has asked you to write a paper about the social effects of smoking on teenagers. A leading database for sociology topics is the Sociological Abstracts. It covers over 2,000 journals in all areas of sociology. This database uses the Cambridge Scientific Abstracts, or CSA, interface. Access this database from Dalhousie's list of databases. When you open the database, it will automatically bring you to the Advanced Search screen. First, let's consider our search terms. Advanced Search allows you to combine search words in a variety of ways using these Boolean operators, and, or, and not. We're looking for information about the social effect of smoking on teenagers. First, decide what main concepts you can take out of your topic. Then, list some terms. Teenagers and smoking are two terms we can use to begin our search. Place an asterisk next to T-E-E-N, so the database will know to search for any word that begins with teen. Similarly, place an asterisk next to S-M-O-K, so the database will search for smoke, smokes, smoked, and smoking. Use the Boolean operator AND, so the database will know to search for items with all of the words. In the search fields, you can enter more than one word, and CSA will search it as a phrase in the order it appears. In our case, it will be better to separate the words so they are not searched as a phrase. Now CSA will search for these keywords appearing anywhere in the document. You may want to limit the date range to make sure you're getting the most current results. For more help on how to build your search, click on Help and Support. Help and Support also has tons of other information to help you use CSA. Click on Search to begin. The results page automatically separates the results into resource types. The first set of tabs across the top of the results includes these resource types. The next set of tabs separates the results into publication types, such as journals or books. The peer-reviewed tab is important to take note of. Professors often ask for peer-reviewed articles in your bibliography. These articles have been reviewed by experts in the field. The default view is the All Publications tab, but if you want to view other types of publications, simply click on the appropriate tab. Click on More to view even further publication types. You can also sort your results by relevancy or date using this drop-down list. The results are listed by article title first, and then the author's names appear, and then the publication details. Click on the title to see a more detailed description. This is called a full record. Next to each result, there is a list of descriptors. If you click on one of these, CSA will start a new search for that word, phrase, or author. Notice how adolescent appears instead of teenager. At the bottom of the page, there is an additional search box where you can start a new search or refine your search. Let's use one of the descriptors and a Boolean search to refine our results. By using one of CSA's descriptors, we were able to retrieve more results. From here, you can continue to refine your search. Below each record, the holdings information will be displayed. This is where you can access the full text if it is available. Here is the HTML full text of this article. If no full text is available, you can use the Get It at Dal button to search for the item at Dalhousie. Because CSA searches many different journals, the article you want might not necessarily be available at Dalhousie. The Get It at Dal button will let you know. For more information on the Get It at Dal service, see the libcast that addresses this topic. You can mark records that interest you as you navigate through the results by clicking the box next to the results and then clicking on Update Marked Records. Your marked records are added to your marked list. These can then be emailed, saved, exported to a file, printed, or exported to your RefWorks account. This has been a brief introduction to doing a basic search in a CSA database. If you need further assistance, please visit one of our reference desks. Or you can get online help with our live help service. You might also want to view some of our other libcasts on doing library research, available on the displayed website.